This video describes a 74-tactic architectural playbook for building 1 million lines of production code with 0 manual keystrokes using an agent-first paradigm. The agent-first harness system generated 1 million lines of code in 5 months, with 0 manually written lines. It also reduced development time to 1/10 of manual execution and supports continuous automated entropy management. The QPT 3.3 Loop Architecture Engine Blueprint shows how humans steer the metasystem and agents execute the operations. The strategic bottleneck is the rate at which human insight is codified for agents to internalize. System identity establishes the absolute closure criteria. This includes 0 manual code and a structural division of labor where humans steer and agents execute. Failure is a signal to identify missing systemic capability, not to tell the agent to try harder. The repository acts as the primary cognitive medium, structured for direct agent consumption and context deepening. Key elements include verified design docs, domain maps, and versioned plans to guide the agents. Only repo local artifacts are real to the agent, meaning what Codex cannot see does not exist. This mandates radical visibility, continuous context push to the repo, and prioritizing agent legibility. Perception infrastructure closes the operational loop by enabling visual and dynamic observation. This includes bootable work trees, Chrome DevTools protocol, video recording, and DOM snapshots for state comparison. Local observability stacks provide ephemeral, isolated environments for sustained autonomous execution. This involves ephemeral local stacks for logs, metrics, and traces, and pre-PR self-review by agents. Multi-agent coordination requires strict peer review automation using the Ralph Wiggum loop. Agents perform reviews, respond in line, and use standard dev tools for efficient throughput scaling. The management loop enforces invariance, not implementations, through a rigid layered architecture. This ensures strict dependency validation and boundary parsing for operational conditions without micromanagement. Boundaries are centrally encoded to allow autonomy locally. This includes agent-generated linters, structural tests, and remediation instructions to guide the agents and enforce conventions. Automated entropy management replaces manual cleanup. This system includes a dock gardening agent, continuous garbage collection, and micro-tech debt payments, supported by longitudinal quality grades and audit criteria. The intelligence loop detects patterns and builds capability through depth-first decomposition of high-level goals into design, code, review, and test blocks. The meta question focuses on missing and enforceable capabilities. Human insight is codified into permanent repository artifacts. This is achieved by promoting docs to code when patterns fail, capturing reviews as permanent updates, and embedding decision rationale in logs. Human taste is captured once and enforced continuously via the legitimation loop. Taste moves from ephemeral comment to a formal rule and enforcement mechanism. Agent legibility is the ultimate function and legitimation criterion. We have explicitly rejected anti-patterns and systemic pathologies like one big agents, MD, manually writing code, and try harder instructions. We focus on capability, not repetition, and avoid micromanagement. Key unsolved viability conditions for the agent-first frontier include long-term architectural coherence, optimal human judgment allocation, and model capability evolution in the metasystem. The harness makes it possible for humans to steer and agents to execute. Through adherence to system identity and mechanical enforcement, a 1 million line codebase becomes a solved operational reality.